After you've grazed it, again, optional, put just the 1 drop of the blue Loctite on it, just to ensure it doesn't unscrew. It's into position. Again with the tool. Tighten it into the second piston. So it stops. Be sure it's pushed all the way forward. And then install a 9/32 socket onto the end of the first piston. And with another wrench, 3/4 inch, you can snug all 3 pistons together. You just need to snug them up, not too tight. And you can install the final end piece. Again, number 24 O-ring. Install this into position. Make sure it goes below the retaining ring groove. And you can install the final retaining ring. Snaps into position. And that's the end of building the air side of the urethane ferrule component gun.